Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use community components inside of Figma. This is actually going to be a very short tutorial. Now, the first step is of course to have a project that you're working on. And now when you are inside of it and you want to export something, you want to press Shift and I, okay? And this is going to open this kind of search bar, which you're going to be able to search for whatever component you're trying to look. Usually, you're gonna want to keep it to, I don't know, to buttons or things like that. So let's actually search for button. And let's choose something that is gonna make sense for me. I don't know. For example, I don't know, this just simple button here. So what you want to do is you want to double click on it. And now what's gonna happen is that it's gonna import, okay, this button. All right, that's good. Now, the problem is that this button is very small, probably because it was made for, for a mobile version, and I'm working on desktop here. So what you want to do is you want to select this button here, and you want to go to size, and you can change the size of the button to medium, for example, okay, and things like that. Something that you can do is you can actually work to this resizing here, and you can type a value of, I don't know, let's say 150. Okay, this what's going to happen. If you do so, make sure that you actually do the same for the horizontal component. So make sure to have like a constant aspect ratio. Okay, but yeah, this is pretty much how you can do. All right, you can also change, for example, the colors by going into fill, the transparency, and all of that. All right, that's it. Thank you so much.